We are here at the Port of Los Angeles in San Pedro getting ready to board the Discovery Princess. And we've got our medallions. We're ready to go. Alright, we made it on board. Getting ready to enjoy our 4-night cruise to Mexico. San Diego and Mexico. This is a comedy themed cruise, so hopefully we'll get a chance to see some comedians while we're on board. Alright, here's the Princess Casino. Of course it's not open just yet, but it will open up when we get out to sea. Alright, this is take 5 on the Discovery Princess. And just a real beautiful ambiance and decor. They've got some jazz memorabilia here. They just have some really great lighting. There's one of the entries. Great seating areas with some beautiful views. So we definitely can see ourselves spending some time here. Of course, we just got on board, so it's not open just yet. But a really nice bar area here. Looks like they might even have like a wine cart. It says they're gonna have some live music every night. Live jazz nightly. You can see they've got that set up. Really nice. Very nice area. All right, here's one of the alternative dining restaurants on board the Discovery Princess, Sabatini's Trattoria, with some Italian food. As a matter of fact, you can see them making fresh. You can see that fresh making of the pasta for dinner tonight. It doesn't get any better than that. All right, we are on the Riviera deck, room 442. And all you do is you put up your little medallion here. Notice it says "Welcome, Jody." And then we're gonna walk into the room. So we'll come back and visit the bathroom here in just a moment, but right when you walk in, you can see there's a nice full-size closet with some extra storage area. Got a safe in our room also. And then as I turn around, you can see there's a full-length mirror, so you can kind of check yourself. Restroom. So storage space here, counter space underneath. And then of course, when we step in here, you can see the nice bathroom, shower with a curtain, lots of plush towels. Then as we make our way into the actual bedroom, you can see that we have a nice queen size bed. Lots of storage space on each side, including the USB ports on the lamps. That could be very helpful. Nice TV on the wall. We do have the mini bar set up. I have the Elite with Princess, so we're able to get that already stocked when we come in. And also the little mini fridge has some items for us in there as well. Let me go ahead and turn around so you can take a look at the room from this angle. Nice little desk area. And then behind the curtain, we have a nice balcony. We're still in the Port of Los Angeles, so we haven't departed just yet. But as we go out into our balcony, what you can see is it has a couple different seats out here. Table. So really nice to be able to see, smell the ocean as we're cruising. After the rain we've had this last week, this is a really nice day. Nice and sunny, no clouds in the sky. You can even see Catalina. Let me zoom in on that. You can see Catalina from here. Really nice. So stay tuned and we'll give you some more tours of the ship. In the meantime, we're just gonna kick back on our balcony and enjoy the cruise.